Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025 to 2024 Lexus RC F. The 2024 Lexus RC F has been named the best luxury sports car for 2025, recognized for its powerful performance, distinctive design, and refined luxury. As the high-performance variant of Lexus's RC lineup, the RC F continues to impress enthusiasts with its thrilling driving experience and upscale features. Powerful performance and dynamic handling. The 2024 Lexus RC F delivers an exhilarating driving experience with its formidable 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine. This engine produces a robust 472 horsepower and 395 lb-ft of torque, enabling the RC F to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds. The RC F's engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that provides smooth and responsive gear changes. The car's rear-wheel drive system, combined with its advanced suspension setup, including an adaptive variable suspension and a Torsen limited-slip rear differential, ensures exceptional handling and agility. Whether navigating tight corners or enjoying a high-speed run, the RC F offers a balanced and engaging driving experience. Distinctive design and luxurious interior. The 2024 RC F stands out with its bold and aggressive design. The car features a low, wide stance, a prominent spindle grille, and sculpted lines that emphasize its sporty character. The rear end is equally striking, with quad exhaust outlets and a functional rear diffuser. Inside, the RC F boasts a driver-focused cockpit crafted from high-quality materials such as leather and Alcantara. The cabin features a 10.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Lexus's remote touch interface, providing intuitive control over navigation, media, and connectivity. The RC F Sport seats are designed for both comfort and support, ensuring an enjoyable driving experience whether on the road or the track. Advanced technology and safety features. The 2024 Lexus RC F comes equipped with a range of advanced safety and driver assistance technologies. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, enhancing both safety and convenience. Conclusion. The 2024 Lexus RC F's combination of powerful performance, distinctive design, and luxurious features has earned it the title of Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025. With its robust engine, agile handling, and premium interior, the RC F remains a top choice for drivers seeking a sports car that delivers both excitement and sophistication.